What Sali's doing? She's such a div. Yeah? Such a mong, Sali.
Let's spread milk all over them.
You have to move them all into one end. She won't go in the bed. She thinks she's going to squish them. She'll move them into this end. Good girl, well done. That one hasn't even moved, mind. That one with the white face is so chilled out, it's unbelievable.
Little guinea pig. Who's going to sleep for that?
Do you know she wasn't squishing it then? One of them, right? Cat? When it's sucking for milk, it just has a tantrum. It does, though.
Yeah. I'm sure when I tell you did that as well.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this dumb one by here. He's going to head behind her back and get squished. Oh, he's always going to go to sleep for that. That one still hasn't bothered moving. No. These two here are just so chilled out. Like. I found that one kipping on that cushion earlier, and it just wasn't bothered that it was like on its own on the cushion. Or was it that one? It might have been one of the all brown ones.
You should let curl up then.
No.
Right.
Do you want this one, Ali?
I can't see what he's got his mouth open.
Get lost and kip in. Actually, it was that one that was on the cushion. The one that she's licking now. Yeah.
Lovely colour that one is.
Pretty cool colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
This camera's crap though, it looks blank.
Yeah. Shitty light as well.